Hello, dear English learners. Welcome back to English with Sophia. I'm excited to have you here for today's important lesson on mental health awareness. This topic is not only crucial for our overall well-being, but also provides an excellent opportunity to enhance our English language skills. So, let's embark on this journey of learning and self-discovery together. Warm-up, vocabulary, and discussion. Before we dive into the main content, let's start with some key vocabulary related to mental health. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Well-being. 2. Stigma. 3. Resilience. 4. Mindfulness. 5. Self-care. Now, let's discuss. Have you heard these terms before? Can you use any of them in a sentence? Excellent work. We'll be using these terms and many more throughout our lesson. Remember, it's okay if you don't understand everything immediately. Learning new vocabulary is a gradual process. What is mental health? Let's begin by defining mental health. Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act in our daily lives. Good mental health isn't just the absence of mental health problems. It's about maintaining a state of well-being where we can cope with life's challenges, work productively, and contribute to our communities. Language focus. Notice how we use refer to define a term. Can you think of other phrases we use to give definitions in English? Discussion question. How would you explain mental health to a friend using your own words? The importance of mental health awareness. Now that we understand what mental health is, let's explore why awareness is so crucial. 1. Reducing stigma. Mental health awareness helps to combat the negative stereotypes and discrimination that often surround mental health issues. By talking openly about mental health, we can create a more understanding and supportive society. 2. Early intervention. Awareness can help people recognize the signs and symptoms of mental health problems early on, leading to quicker and more effective treatment. 3. Promoting well-being. Understanding mental health encourages people to take proactive steps to maintain their emotional well-being, just as they would their physical health. 4. Improving. Access to care. Greater awareness can lead to better policies and more resources dedicated to mental health care, making it more accessible to those who need it. 5. Enhance relationships. When we understand mental health better, we can be more empathetic and supportive in our relationships with others. Vocabulary building. Let's break down some compound words we've used. Well-being afakasper. Well-being. Stereotypes, Turk stereo plus types. Proactive, Turkter pro, plu active. Can you think of other compound words related to mental health or emotions? Critical thinking task. Choose one of these points and explain how it might impact your community. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Common mental health challenges. To better understand mental health, it's important to be aware of some common challenges people may face. Remember, experiencing these doesn't make someone weak or crazy. They're health issues that can be managed with proper support and treatment. 1. Anxiety disorders. Excessive worry or fear that interferes with daily activities. 2. Depression. Persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities. 3. Bipolar disorder. Extreme mood swings that include emotional highs, mania, and lows, depression. 4. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. A condition triggered by experiencing or witnessing a terrifying event. 5. Eating disorders. Abnormal eating habits that negatively impact physical or mental health. 6. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. Recurring unwanted thoughts, obsessions, and/or repetitive behaviors, compulsions. Language practice. Try describing one of these disorders to a partner using your own words. Use expressions like, "It's characterized by," "symptoms include," or "it can lead to" structure your explanation. Discussion activity. In small groups or in the comments, discuss. Have you ever heard of these conditions before? Why do you think some people might hesitate to talk about these issues? How could increased awareness help people dealing with these challenges? Signs and symptoms of mental health issues. Recognizing the signs of mental health problems is crucial for early intervention. While symptoms can vary widely, here are some common signs to be aware of. 1. Persistent sadness or irritability. 2. Excessive fears or worries. 3. Extreme mood changes. 4. Social withdrawal. 5. Significant changes in eating or sleeping habits. 6. Difficulty concentrating or making decisions. 7. Unexplained physical problems. 8. Substance abuse. 9. Intense anger or violent behavior. 10. Thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Important note: if you or someone you know is experiencing thoughts of self-harm or suicide, it's crucial to seek professional help immediately. This is a serious situation that requires expert intervention. Vocabulary challenge. Can you match these adjectives with suitable nouns to create phrases describing emotional states? Overwhelming, persistent, chronic, intrusive, e.g., overwhelming anxiety, persistent worry. Writing task. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, describing how you might support a friend showing some of these signs. Use empathetic language and suggest positive actions they could take. Strategies for maintaining good mental health. While it's important to be aware of mental health challenges, it's equally crucial to know how to maintain good mental health. Here are some strategies. 1. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that help you relax. 2. Stay connected. Maintain strong relationships with friends and family. Social connections are vital for mental well-being. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression while improving mood and self-esteem. 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for mental and emotional resilience. 5. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation can help you stay grounded in the present moment and reduce stress. 6. Maintain a healthy diet. Good nutrition can positively impact your mood and energy levels. 7. Set realistic goals. Accomplish tasks, both big and small, to build self-confidence and a sense of purpose. 8. Seek professional help when needed. Don't hesitate to talk to a mental health professional if you're struggling. Language focus. Notice how we use imperative sentences, commands, to give advice. Can you transform these strategies into polite suggestions using phrases like, "You might want to," or "It could be helpful to"? Role play activity. With a partner, practice giving advice about maintaining good mental health. One person can describe a challenging situation, and the other can suggest strategies to cope. Remember to use polite and supportive language. Breaking the stigma. Talking about mental health. One of the biggest challenges in mental health is the stigma surrounding it. Many people feel ashamed or embarrassed to talk about their mental health struggles. Let's explore how we can break this stigma. 1. Educate yourself and others. Learn about mental health and share your knowledge with others. 2. Use respectful language. Avoid using terms like crazy or psycho that can be hurtful and perpetuate stereotypes. 3. Share your story. If you feel comfortable, sharing your own experiences with mental health can help others feel less alone. 4. Listen without judgment. When someone opens up about their mental health, listen empathetically and without trying to fix them. 5. Challenge misconceptions. Speak up when you hear myths or negative stereotypes about mental health. 6. Treat mental health like physical health. Encourage people to view mental health checkups as being as important as physical checkups. Discussion question. Why do you think there's often a stigma around mental health issues? How might this differ in various cultures? Language practice. Use the phrase, "It's important to create sentences about breaking mental health stigma. For example, it's important to talk openly about mental health. Mental health resources and support. Knowing where to find help is crucial for maintaining good mental health. Here are some types of resources available in many countries. 1. Mental health professionals. Psychologists, psychiatrists, and counselors can provide professional support. 2. Helplines. Many countries have free confidential helplines for mental health support. 3. Support groups. Joining a group of people with similar experiences can provide valuable peer support. 4. Online resources. Websites and apps can offer information, self-help tools, and sometimes online therapy. 5. School or workplace programs. Many educational institutions and workplaces offer mental health resources. Research task. Find a mental health resource in your country. Practice your reading skills by exploring their website in English. Then summarize the services they offer in your own words. Vocabulary. Focus. Look at the words confidential, valuable, and educational. Can you identify the root words and the suffixes? How do the suffixes change the meaning of the root words? Conclusion. Taking action for mental health. As we conclude this lesson, remember that mental health awareness is not just about understanding, it's also about taking action. Whether it's practicing self-care, supporting a friend, or advocating for better mental health policies, each of us can play a role in promoting mental well-being. Final task. Write a short essay, 150-200 words, about what you've learned in this lesson and how you plan to apply it in your life. This will help reinforce both the content and your English writing skills. Thank you for joining me for this important lesson on mental health awareness. I hope you've not only expanded your English vocabulary and comprehension, but also gained valuable insights into this crucial topic. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sophia for more lessons on important global issues. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep practicing your English and remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Stay well and see you in our next lesson. Additional resources. To continue learning about mental health in English, check out these resources. World Health Organization's mental health page, https://www.wshu.int Health Topics Mental Health. National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, https://www.nami.org. Mind for Better Mental Health, https://www.mind.org.uk. Remember, engaging with authentic English language materials on topics you care about is an excellent way to improve your language skills while gaining valuable knowledge.